an isosceles trapezoid, the bottom base and the upper base are parallel, while the sides are congruent in length. The lower base angles are congruent, and the upper base angles are congruent to each other. The sum of all four angles is always 360 degrees. If you label this trapezoid ABCD, you can show that the lower base angle is supplementary with an upper base angle, in this case DA. So, angle CDA is supplementary to angle DAB. For example, if angle DAB were 130 degrees, what would the measures of the other three angles be? Because DAB is equal to 130, we know that ABC is also 130, and those added together equals 260 degrees. Next, we can subtract 260 from the total sum of all the angles, 360 degrees, and get 100 degrees. We then divide that by 2 and get 50 degrees each for angle D and C. Therefore, angle ABC is equal to 130 degrees. Angle BCD is equal to 50 degrees, along with angle CDA, which is also 50 degrees. So, to solve for the height in an isosceles trapezoid, given one of the non-parallel side lengths, you can draw in a height forming a right angle. You would then use simple trigonometry to solve for the height. So you would use sine of the base angle, which is 50 degrees, and you would use opposite over hypotenuse with it being sine. This would then give you sine 50 degrees equals the height over 5. You would multiply both sides by 5, which would then give you 5 times sine 50 equals the height. Then, rounded to the nearest thousandth, the height equals 3.830 inches. So here we have a red non-special trapezoid and a black isosceles trapezoid. When the diagonals of any trapezoid are drawn, it divides the interior into 4 non-overlapping triangles. So regardless of the shape of the trapezoid, the black triangles will always be similar, while in an isosceles trapezoid, the red triangles will also be similar. So to prove similarity between these triangles, you can show that the vertical angles formed by the X are congruent, as well as the alternate interior angles in both of these triangles. So if you pull these two black triangles out of an isosceles trapezoid, you get two isosceles triangles, giving you the corresponding angles are congruent and the corresponding sides are proportional to each other.